Garage door spring replacement is perilous and should never be a DIY project for homeowners. The immense tension in these springs can lead to serious injuries if mishandled or improperly installed. Garage door springs play a vital role, lifting and lowering heavy doors with remarkable force and balance. Understanding the mechanics of torsion and extension springs reveals just how complex and dangerous they are. Attempting to unwound or stretch these components without expertise can result in catastrophic outcomes. It's easy to think you can manage this task, but online tutorials often overlook critical real-world risks. Professional technicians bring years of experience and specialized tools, ensuring safety and quality in every repair. Common signs of broken springs, like loud bangs or an uneven door, should prompt immediate professional assistance. Ignoring these issues can lead to further damage, creating hazards for your family and a strain on your opener. Choosing local professionals in Arlington offers quick service and tailored solutions to your garage door problems.